lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a yellow summery look. I actually just created another video based on my base. It's basically अगर आपके पास correct shade of foundation नहीं है, then how you can make it work. So it's really helpful. So if you want to know how you can make a wrong shade of foundation match to your skin tone, then go ahead and click on the link in the description box या फिर ऊपर annotation पे. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video where I do the summary kind of a look. I have a look in mind that I really want to recreate. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the look that we are going for today. It's nice yellow with cut crease. So actually मैं आपको इसमें cut crease कैसे करते हैं दिखाने वाली हूँ. So firstly I'm going to prime my eyelids. जिसके लिए I'm using the Alamar Cosmetics का primer. And to set the primer, I'm just going to use a white powder. For now, I'm going to use this one, Perfect Filter palette. And I'm just going to set my eyelid with this. Now for this yellow kind of a transition shade, जैसे आप इधर देख सकते हो, for this shade I'm using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and then I'm just going to apply this पूरे eyelid पे and also right towards my brow bone. So मैं इसको अपने lid पूरे पे and brow bone पे लगाने वाली हूँ, and I'm using a fluffier blending brush. This one is the PAC blending brush, and without anything specific कि यहीं पे लगाना है या इतना ही लगाना है, just go ahead, whatever yellow shade you have. I'm just going to use the Zulu palette right here. So अगर आपके पास कोई भी yellow shade हो, you can definitely go ahead and use it. You just want some nice yellow base to create a nice transition, या फिर आप बोल सकते हो एक base color. If you want a little bit of precision, आप इसको थोड़ा सा V के shape में यहाँ पे blend कर दो. That will definitely give a lot more lift to your face. Apart from that, आप इसको कैसे भी blend करो, it doesn't really matter. And now we are going to cut the crease. Now cut crease के लिए I'm going to use Pro Arte PF01. This is a nice synthetic brush and इसके bristles बहुत ही thin है. And now to cut the crease, you should always go ahead with a concealer या फिर eye base primer, even a cut crease concealer you will get from Makeup Revolution, something like that. But the color that you choose it a little bit lighter than your skin tone. Don't go for something which is of your skin tone, so that it can kind of look a little bit more defined. And जब भी आप उसके ऊपर कोई भी pigment लगाते हो या कोई भी eyeshadow लगाते हो, it kind of pops and it will be more visible. And I'm going to use ELF 16R Camo Concealer. ये बहुत ही full coverage है, and the shade that I'm using is medium sand. So I took this just a little bit on the back of my hand, and मैं इसके ऊपर Pro Arte brush को swipe करूँगी in a way that the bristles of the brush are flattened as well. And now the best way to see where your crease is going to cut is just एक randomly एक swipe कर देना अपने eyelid पे with the brush and just slightly look up. And the line that you see over here, that is the cut crease that you need to follow. So I'm just going to load up मेरा product इस brush पे, and I'm going to guide it and follow the same line of this one. Inner corner से लेके मैं यहाँ तक इसको connect करूँगी. Also the movement of the brush, as you can see, मैं इसको swipe नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm literally going and just dabbing it. And that is pretty much it, guys. So इस तरह से you can cut your crease, and you don't have to worry a lot regarding where you exactly have to pull the shape and everything. You just look up once you apply a little line of concealer, and that's it. Now for the eyelid, I'm going to use Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette. You can also use Nicka K's Poison Apple palette. It has a very similar pink eyeshadows in this as well. आप ये भी use कर सकते हो. It's an alternative. So firstly, I'm going to take this terracotta orangish eyeshadow, and then I'm going to apply this अपने outer corner पे, just जहाँ पे ये cut crease end हो रहा है, exactly there. And if you're wondering, the brush I'm using is again the PAC pencil brush. And just यहाँ पे towards the inner corner, not completely, just towards the inner corner, I'm just going to apply an orange shade so that orange and this pink kind of blends together. And for the inner corner, I'm using this pink shade all over the inner part of the eyelid. well, that is how the eyelid looks right now guys. तो अभी मैं अपना lower lash करूँगी and I get so many questions कि दी आप अपना lower lash कैसे blend करते हो, you know, ज़्यादा show नहीं करता any eyeshadow that you put apart from blacks and everything. So the best way is guys, go ahead and apply a primer underneath your eyelids. Underneath your lash line और जहाँ पे भी आप उसको blend करने वाले हो eyeshadow को, just go ahead and apply a little bit of primer या फिर apply a concealer that totally will change the rest of your makeup game. So I have the primer over here, but I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use the ELF concealer and show it to you how well it applies. मैं just थोड़ा सा अपने हाथ के पीछे ले रही हूँ. Use any brush, pencil brush, whatever you're going to use to blend out this under eyes. And just थोड़ा सा मैं अपना concealer इस blush पे load कर रही हूँ and just run it underneath the eyes, right over there. It's looking like a little bit of a harsh line. You can always blend it, but before that I'm just going to apply the lower lash color. So जैसे कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हो, I have applied a little bit of a yellow and then the peach shade to connect it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply the yellow shade first. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, it literally pops. So अगर आप concealer लगाओ या primer लगाओ, anything is absolutely fine guys. Go ahead and apply a concealer underneath and then you see the magic. I'm just going to take the peachy shade and then उसको मैं connect करूँगी to my inner corner. So that's that. I'm just going to blend the harsh lines. Even अगर कुछ concealer रह गया है, it will just nicely blend it. So as you can see, the base work is already done. We just have to apply a little bit of glitter inner corner पे, a little rhinestones या फिर you know stars on the lower lash and some liner. So for that, firstly let me go ahead and apply a little bit of glitter जो कि मैंने अपने inner corner पे लगाया है. So for that I'm using HD glitter from TF Cosmetics. This one is in the shade Rose. I'm just going to take एक flat brush, थोड़ा सा product उस पे load करूँगी and just run it into the inner corner. It just gives a nice wet look to your eyelid and that is what I was aiming for. Once I actually bought a few rhinestones from Amazon. This is how they come in. So these come in this cute little pots. So मैं इसको quickly अपने lower lash पे लगाने वाली हूँ. To stick them, I'm going to use the PAC lash fixer. This is the lash glue and directly मैं अपने lower lash पे few dots लगाऊंगी. For the lashes, I'm going to use Rufa Beauty lashes and this one is in the style Nora. So I'm quickly going to pop this on and I'll be right back. And those are the lashes applied guys. I really like this. I think I've actually used these lashes more than 15 to 20 times. बहुत ही good quality lashes है Rufa Beauty के. Do check them out. Now we're left off with lips because pura rest of the makeup I have already done, as I said, for another video. So for the lips, I'm quickly going to line using my favorite lip liner, which is the Forever 52 lip liner, and this one is in the shade 1016. I'll leave the link of this in the description box. It is such a good lip liner if you have pigmented lips. For the lip gloss, I have topped off with the Fenty Gloss in Baby Brut and the ELF Cosmetics Sheer Stick in Dragon Fruit, and this is how it looks. So this is the overall look guys. I'm so in love how it turned out along with the gloss. I think the cut crease technique and everything might be really helpful for most of you who has hooded lids. So I've just filmed a reel as well with this look. If you want to check that, go to my Instagram, check the reels. It is a recent reel that I've just posted. The neck piece that I'm wearing, it's from Just Little Things by Deepika Shah. I'll be showing a lot of more products from her. I really love the quality of this. So this is the neck piece that I've got from her and it is so pretty and it is so affordable. I'll leave all its details in the description box as well. Do check it out. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed watching till here, do hit a like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys soon in my next video.